Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Semantics video session 36. So basically in today's video, we will actually go through the lookup join for on the standard objects account and opportunity. Okay, so let me quickly share my screen. So let me quickly go to Analytics Studio. Let me go to recipe. Now, once again, let me take the account and opportunity. And also let me take opportunity. Let me select a few of them only, that is ID name and stage name amount. Okay. Now, once again, let me do the lookup join. Oh, I didn't take that one. I didn't take the account ID. And here it should be account ID, and here also account ID. Okay. And let me give the name as opportunity. Now, this is lookup single value, right? It includes all rows from recipe, only matching rows from opportunity. That means it includes all rows from account and only matching rows. If multiple matches are found, return one matching row. That means because only it will return one matching row, right? And we already did this part earlier for this one. Okay. Now over here, we already did lookup single value over here, where you have seen that for account, all the records from here were there, that is 6 records, right? And only one opportunity record will be coming, isn't it? From my right side. That means here for sure, when I run the recipe, I will get this many number of records, which is the total number of account records. Okay. So let's see if I open this. Fine. And let's say, right. So here I get to see a total of 1003 records, and that's what I'm going to see as well. So now let me just give the dataset name. What's the name I should give? Let me see. Account of. Which one I've done? Also, let me at once do the lookup multiple join. Okay, what I'm going to do is there's a shortcut technique. I will just select this and I will copy the nodes. Okay, copy and just click on paste the nodes. Fine. fail to, let me click on allow. Okay. Let me click on paste note one again. Okay. So this is fine. And now I will just change this to, I'll just enable this checkbox. Okay. And here I will just write multi-value. Okay. Just write multi-value. Fine. And here I will write multi-value. Okay, this is fine. Multi-value. I have enabled this checkbox, huh? And here, okay, here I will write multi-value as well. So let me write the data name as multi-value. Okay, now let me click on apply, and now let me save this. So basically, if you try to understand in both the case, that is lookup single value, I will get that number of records, that is well as lookup multiple values, I will get the count as 1003. Okay, because it's putting everything from the left. But the only thing is that here it will consolidate the data. So the number of records will still remain this one, 1003 in both the case, lookup single and lookup multiple. However, from opportunity side, as we have done on this calculation as well, it will just get synced. Okay, I mean the opportunity records will get consolidated one after the other. In that case, what happens, the any amount which which I will be reflecting, that will not show the proper one, that will show as a summation, and we will just check it once. Okay, not an issue. So let us right now monitor this. So as you can see, this ran successfully. Now what I will do is I will just go to my recipe dataset app, and here uh, I will just open this lookup single join, as well as I will open the uh, lookup multi join. Okay. Now, as you can see here, in lookup single join, you are getting the total as 1003. Okay. Now let us take this opportunity example, that is Wade account. Okay, Wade 723 incorporation. So Wade 723 incorporation, as you can see, has 4 opportunities, right? Now, what is happening is here, if I take the account name, okay, and let's say I take the opportunity name, okay. If I filter out with that particular name, that is account name, me filter out with that. I think it's 723. Yeah. You see, randomly it's only taking opportunity for Alvarez. Okay. So we have so many things: opportunity for Jimenez, opportunity for Alvarez, opportunity for Singleton, opportunity for squats. But at the end of the day, we are only getting for one of them. Okay. And that's the thing about lookup single join. Okay. As we have seen that it will bring all the records from account. However, only one matching record it will bring from opportunity. Now, what is happening over here? That will be interesting. Now, see here I have 1003 records, right? Now, here again, if I put the filter for this account name, that is Wade 723 incorporation, and here now what will happen is here if I go for account name as well as I go for opportunity name, okay. You see here it's bringing me all the 4 records, right? That is fine. But the interesting part is like here, if I go for amount, sorry, here if I go for amount, right? Didn't I bring? Okay, sorry. Here if I go for sum of amount, okay, you see it's showing me this one, that is 266,400. Okay, now that is what is matching over here as well, 266,400. Okay, I'm getting that in single lookup value. It's taking one random thing and showing me the proper amount. Now the problem here where it is multiple value. Now if I go for sum of amount, right? You see everywhere is showing me 𝘓𝘓𝑰𝑗, right? It's like 4.4 million, but everywhere it's showing me, like for all the opportunities showing me that. Now, how is that possible? Because we have separate amount, okay? So now if I open my calculator, right? And let me physically just calculate this. That is 449,700 plus 266,400 plus 30,57,500 plus what is the next one? 632,960. Okay. See, it's showing me 4406560, right? So that's what is coming over here, 4406560. But the problem is it's showing for each opportunity. Okay, because it consolidates the data, and we have already learned in a very small manner when I showed you this particular sample Excel sheet, right? Because it had very few records, and I've taken very small numbers so that it was easy for you to understand. But the basic purpose is here to understand why we have to go for left join in this scenario and why we shouldn't go for this. However, we can go for this if the requirement is to get the exact number of account records. Okay, like you're building an account dashboard and you need exact number of account records, but at the same time the clients want to see all the opportunities, which is fine. However, you have to be careful over here that for each the data is getting consolidated. So in that case, you won't be able to see amount for each opportunity, because here your grain level is not opportunity but account. So the grain level, that is the basic level by which you have to do this, you have to keep that into consideration, whether the client wants to see information related to account or whether they want to see information related to opportunity. And if they want to be more specific on opportunity, then definitely you have to take on the left opportunity, right? Because the problem here is if you go for lookup single, it will just take one record. And if you go for lookup multiple, the problem is for each opportunity amount, you won't be able to see that, right? And another thing is here, if you go for left join, the count will get disbalanced, right? Like you won't get to see the exact count of records. Okay. If the client is interested to see mainly information related to account and opportunity on a specific detail level, then definitely left join is helpful, but they won't get to see the exact count in that case. Okay. Now there are different ways to deal with it. I will explain you in further sessions. So in such kind of scenario, what is the best thing to do? Okay, don't worry. But yeah, at the end of the day, this is something which is very important, and this is something why I have covered a separate session of difference between left join and lookup multiple values. So everything depends on the requirement. Okay, these things has been built up, but now it's up to you how the client wants to see the data, how you are showing the data to the client, and what is the thing you have to apply on the designer layer or on the dashboard layer to kind of give that particular information which the client needs. Fine. So yeah, just wanted to explain you about the lookup single and lookup multiple. And that's it about this video. I've shown you this example in a proper manner. If you have liked this video, then please definitely do like, share, and subscribe. And also let me know if there are certain topics in CLs for CMITs which you're finding it difficult to grasp and you want me to explain. Okay. Thank you.